real driver here, guys. Driving really fast. Look at this. Hey, it's crazy, man. Oh shit. What's your name? OAT. Oh, and you drive real good.